everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and with summer just around the corner, it's time for a summer salad I grew up with. Cucumbers, onions, and anything else you feel like. It's time for some affectionately named Grandma's salad. Let's get into it. Start off by cutting some of your favorite veggies into bite-sized pieces. Cucumbers and onions are mandatory, of course, but I also love mushrooms, carrots, and cauliflower. Dollar-flavored veggies work really well as we'll be putting them in a type of pickling mixture. Onto that pickling concoction, grab a container with a lid and combine white vinegar and sugar. Add a little celery seed, salt, and turmeric and give it all a good mix. Add in your veggies and give it a good shake. Keep in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours to give it all a good soak. I ended up refrigerating it overnight, so it's definitely time to plate this dish. The point is the cucumbers and the onions, so I gotta make sure I get both in there. There we go. The salad is just really fresh and tangy, and what's cool about it is once you're low on veggies, you can just add more to it and keep it going. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what your favorite summer dishes are down in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Wow.